Hi, today we are going to treat mild crowding of this patient. He is a 14-year-old child studying in DPS. You can see mild space is there in canine and both central incisor are two proclined upper and lower teeth. Crowding is there in lower arch. Open karo. We are going to treat with Invisalign. According to treatment plan, it's 20 aligners set of 20 sets of aligners. This is treatment plan of Invisalign. It's 20 set of aligners plan. It is done in 4 steps. Step 1 is 0 and step 2 is on 4th aligner. Step 3 is 8 aligner and step 4th is 17 aligners. These blue colors are attachment we are going to place on teeth, both upper and lower arch. Almost all teeth has attachment. Here you can see the grooves. It is template. Grooves are made on template. We are going to put composite on it and put it on the tooth and cure it so that it can be placed on. तो खाली IPR से होता है, वन नहीं करना। दांत दिखना चाहिए, क्या काम हो रहा है वो दिखना चाहिए। तो अभी फंस रहा है, मतलब कि अभी और जाएगा। मॉर्निंग किराए में नहीं लगाया, लगाया किराए में, हाँ लगा। क्या? एक एक सेकेंड वाला है, एक सेकेंड का होता है।
कुछ नहीं कर रहा, खुद जला हुआ है।
अरे वो है ऊपर